Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about new iPhone 13 leaks, Apple Watch 7 design, and iOS 15 features. Let's head into it. iPhone 13. Although the iPhone is still a few months away from becoming a reality, rumors about what Apple has planned for this year's models continue to circulate, and even at this early stage, all of these facts have combined to produce a startlingly detailed picture of the iPhone 13. According to what we've heard so far, the iPhone 13 will include a 120Hz LTPO display on both Pro variants, increased battery life thanks to a more efficient 5G modem, and significant camera advancements. This could include a LiDAR sensor on the less expensive iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, as well as the new portrait video mode. The iPhone 13 will address the iPhone 12's major problems in the following ways. Apple isn't planning anything as drastic for the iPhone 13's design as the Google Pixel 6's speculated new look. However, we have heard that the iPhone's notch will ultimately reduce on every new model. Other reports claim that at least one version of the iPhone 13 will feature a true portless design. We could also see an always-on display on the iPhone for the first time. Larger batteries have been rumored for all iPhone 13 variants. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is also one of the variants with a 120Hz display, will see the most significant hike. Sensor shift stabilization will be available on all iPhone 13 models, whereas it was previously only available on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In the spirit of camera features, we compiled a list of the best iPhone 13 camera upgrades and what they imply for your images. Apple's A15 Bionic technology is rumored to be in the works, implying that the iPhone 13 could be back on track for a September launch. Apple Watch 7.
The Apple Watch Series 7 has been leaked. John Prosser is on a streak with all of these recent leaks.
Although the arrival of the Apple Watch 7 is still a few months away, recent speculations and leaks have given us a glimpse of what the next generation wristwatch will have to offer. The Apple Watch 7, as a follow-up to the Apple Watch Series X, is expected to include various changes that will make the greatest smartwatch even better. We could see a new health sensor, a better display, and a longer battery life, among other things. There's even a talk of a brand new design with flat edges. Since 2015, Apple has introduced a new wristwatch every year, so we're convinced that an Apple Watch Series 7 is on the way. It's possible that a new version may be introduced alongside it, similar to how the Apple Watch SE was released alongside the Apple Watch Series X. What, on the other hand, will be different? What features do we want to see in the future? Here's all we know so far about the Apple Watch 7. If we were to guess when the Apple Watch 7 would be released, we'd say September 2021. Every year in the fall, Apple has unveiled a new smartwatch during a Tuesday keynote, with availability beginning the following Friday or the next week. For the first time last year, Apple separated the ceremonies for the next generation Apple Watch and iPhone. The Apple Watch 6 and Apple Watch SE were introduced alongside a new iPad Air of 2020, while the iPhone 12 series was unveiled separately, all virtual of course. If a live in-person keynote is conceivable in 2021, Apple might recombine its fall hardware announcements. iOS 15.
Our new release is iOS 15. It's packed with features that make the iOS experience adapt to and complement the way you use iPhone.
On June 7, Apple will have its 2021 Worldwide Developers Conference, which implies the corporation will unveil a host of new operating systems for its devices. WWDC will give us an intimate glimpse of what Apple has been working on over the last year, from iPadOS and macOS to watchOS and tvOS. But we all know that iOS 15 is the one OS upgrade that everyone is truly excited about. But we'll have to wait until the start of WWDC to learn more about the iPhone's upcoming operating system. There's a lot we can learn right now based on rumors. It's worth noting though, that there aren't many rumors this year, which only suggest iOS 15 won't have many significant improvements. Given that iOS 14 was a rather significant release, it won't be surprising if Apple keeps things low-key this year. Last year's iOS 14 brought a new slew of iMessage capabilities, including the ability to pin conversations, tag individual users, configure group chat notifications, and react to particular messages to start a thread. Gurman believes that users would be able to set automatic answers based on their status, like the out-of-office responses you set up before going on vacation. This time, however, is for your iPhone. Auto-reply is already available in Do Not Disturb and Sleep mode, as German points out. However, with the forthcoming OS, we may see more status options. The Health app currently allows users to track their nutrition by logging data such as coffee, water, and carbohydrate intake, as well as several vitamins and minerals. You might be able to track the food you eat as well with the iOS 15. According to iMore, the functionality would be comparable to MyFitnessPal, which is the food diary software that allows you to track your meals and calories on a daily basis. However, there are no specifics on what those parallels will be, because it has a food database with 300 million products. MyFitnessPal is simple to use. The software makes keeping track of what you eat throughout the day a breeze. What do you think about the iPhone 13, the Apple Watch 7, and the iOS 15? Which one are you more excited about? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.